G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 14, 2023. This is the spot gold price update. First off, on the daily, you can see here we've retraced back after it hit this 61% level on this Fibonacci range, and it's now pulling back and approaching this support at 1884. Now this is an interesting area to look out for, because if I draw another Fibonacci between that little range there, you can see there it's resting on that 61%, and that 61% is always a key area to look out for. You can bounce, of course, or break through any of these Fibonacci ranges, but that is all typically an area where it generally can reverse or show some significant retrace. So you can see here it's currently resting on that 61%. So we may see a bit of an uptick from here possibly, and it doesn't mean a full-scale reversal. It could just mean a bit of a retrace before coming back down. The CCI is also, you can see it's falling off, so it's getting quite weak, and it's broken down near the oversold territory down there. On the Stochastic likewise, that's broken down from the overbought territory and reaching the midpoint, so a bit of a weakening in the gold price at the moment. On the hourly, you can see there close up, it's also resting on that 61%. As we said, that's the hourly versus the daily. But as well, we've got a bullish divergence on the CCI. The CCI is moving to the upside slightly versus the price. So we may see a bounce from that area, and that sort of supports that case that at 61% may see a reversal, or at least a retrace, I should say, not a reversal necessarily. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Now what we need to do is see where it's going to break above. So let me just draw some of these, if I can draw some decent trend lines. There's a few ways you can enter this. So get as many touch points as you can with that trend line. If it breaks above that, and that sort of coincides with this moving average, that 50 moving average. If it breaks above that, that could be an entry point possibly. And for a target area in terms of exiting the trade. So if it enters above that point there, which is close to the 23%, I would put a target, give it a bit of a, somewhere between the midpoint, sort of about the 50% level. So somewhere close to the 38% to the 50% level will be our target. But at the moment you'll see the CCI is rising slightly. So that's a bullish divergence on the CCI. And the Stochastic is still falling, so not too strong a movement to the upside possibly, but we will see how it goes. So the Stochastic, but this is a minor indicator, just shows you the potential flow of the price possibly. But at the moment we may see a break above this trend and then hit this target in the short term before making further downside. So I'll keep an eye on that and let you know how it goes. And to understand how to trade some divergence but also some trend trading strategies, support us more on the Patreon page, where we look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel, hit that notification bell, and see you in a future video.